Hello, my name is Bryan with Warming Trends, and I'm looking forward to giving you some information as well as direction on our Universal Paver Kits, also known as UPKs. In this video, we will be focusing on how Warming Trends Universal Paver Kits have been developed to integrate easily into various paver kits throughout our industry. All UPKs include a variety of components to create an easy installation and work with either liquid propane or natural gas, but they need to be ordered based on the fuel type that will be supplied to the fire feature. We offer 9 kits for circular and square features with various opening sizes. There's a rectangular feature available as well. We offer the following 4 options for a circular opening. For a square opening, we offer these 5 options. The rectangular opening we offer is sized for a pit that has a length between 32 to 35 inches and a width between 17.5 inches to 20.5 inches. In addition to the sizes listed, we can also create custom UPKs to fit your specifications. There are also 5 types of ignition options, including match light, push button, 3 volt, 24 volt spark, and 24 volt hot surface. Once you and your client determine that you're going to incorporate a paver kit fire feature into your project, you will want to confirm the inside opening measurement of the feature. The kits include the following: crossfire brass burner, aluminum plate, mounting collars, flex line kit, and key valve extension. We do not include a fire pit vent kit in our UPKs. However, this is an optional accessory that can be found in our dealer catalog. Now that you know what you need for a proper setup, let's dive in. The gas line connections must be installed by a certified gas technician. However, you can work with the contractor or mason to pre-install the collars and key valve extension into the paver kit. This allows your gas technician to simply connect the gas stub into the key valve and then connect the gas lines into the burner system. The key valve extension connects between the escutcheon plate and the key valve. When installing the extension, you can hard pipe the key valve into place or use epoxy or cement to ensure that the valve is secure. You do not want the valve to be loose or the key will not operate the valve properly. One additional note: the cut or drilled channel will need to be a minimum of 1 1/8 inches in diameter to ensure the escutcheon plate will fit. It should be mentioned that all fire features should include vents for safety. It provides air for clean combustion and dissipates any extra fuel that may leak or build up if the fire feature is not lit right away. Warming Trends offers one type of vent that can be found in our catalog, but ventilation can be achieved in numerous ways. Now, regarding options to ignite your fire. First, if you decide to use natural gas, make sure the gas stub is offset in the pit. When the gas stub is plumbed directly in the center of the fire feature, it may interfere with the ignition system as those components are located in the middle of the unit. The second option is liquid propane. If planning to use a 20-pound propane tank placed near the fire feature, you will likely use a hose and regulator for quick connection into the tank. The hose and regulator can be fed through one of the pavers in the first row. You can simply remove a paver or drill or cut a channel in one of those blocks and feed the hose into the fire feature. There are 2 types of more sophisticated ignitions that Warming Trends offers: 3 volt and 24 volt. The 3 volt ignition system is battery operated, so you don't need to run power out to the fire feature. The batteries will need to be accessible for replacement. In a 24 volt application, you will need to run a power feed to the fire feature. The contractor needs to be aware that they are going to be trenching for both the gas and electrical. Warming Trends supplies 120 to 24 volt transformers with our 24 volt ignition systems. These are pre-wired into the 24 volt ignition and have a pigtail pre-wired into the 120 feed side. Now that you have the information on the hookups and ignition sources, let me give you some more information on putting the fire feature together. Seems obvious, but you will first need to prepare a flat surface for the first round of blocks you're looking to install. As you continue to build your fire feature, you will want to keep two things in mind. First is where you want to mount your collars. We recommend that the collars are mounted at a 4-inch recess below the capstone. This allows adequate support of the burner system. Second, the crossfire burner jets rise from the plate at approximately 3 inches. The 4-inch drop provides an adequate drop to ensure the burner does not protrude out of the top of the fire feature. Once you mount the collars to the wall, the prep work is complete and we're ready to call the gas installer to finalize the gas line hookup. Now for the finishing touches. For the best look, the burner will need to be fully covered by lava rock or fiberglass. We do not recommend covering the jets with more than a 1/2 inch of media. You will want to place this media by hand so dust or debris from the packaging does not clog the jets. A cover is recommended and will need to be able to sit on the capstone without interfering with the rock, glass, or burner. If using a ceramic log set, Warming Trends covers do not work with these units. We recommend sourcing a cover designed for a log feature. Now it's time to enjoy your fire feature. When lighting for the first time, there may be air in the gas line that needs to be purged. To properly light a matchlit or push-button system, open the key valve slowly, then light the burner from the center of the system. Upon lighting, a small flame will arise. Once this happens, the key valve can be adjusted to the desired flame height. When using a 3-volt or 24-volt ignition system for the first time, we recommend opening the key valve to its fully open position to purge air through the gas line. Then press the ignition on to ignite. Once on, adjust the key valve for the desired flame height. Now your customer is ready to relax and enjoy the fire with friends and family.